Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel, the place where we break down powerful software and tools to help you work smarter, not harder. In today's video, we are diving into Keycloak, the open source identity and access management solution that's become a go-to for developers and enterprises alike. Now, we will cover what makes Keycloak great, its biggest drawbacks, and of course, some strong alternatives you might want to consider, especially if you're looking for simpler setups or better scalability. Let's begin. Keycloak is an open source identity and access management or IAM solution that helps developers and organizations manage authentication, authorization, and user identity across applications and services without having to build these security features from scratch. Now, Keycloak gives you the ability to let users log in once to access multiple applications without needing to re-enter credentials each time. For example, if your organization uses several internal apps like HR Portal, CRM, and email, logging in once through Keycloak automatically grants access to all of them. Alright, so it simplifies user experience, reduces password fatigue, enhances security through centralized authentication, and it also gives you the ability for identity brokering and social login. It allows users to log in using external identity providers such as Google, Facebook, GitHub, or enterprise systems like Azure AD or Okta. Now, Keycloak acts as a broker between your application and third-party identity providers. So when a user logins within Google, for example, like that, Keycloak handles the authentication handshake and provides the app with the necessary identity tokens. So it enables faster onboarding, letting users choose their preferred login method, supporting both social and enterprise identity providers. And then you also have the admin console, wherein it's going to be the web-based dashboard where administrators manage Keycloak settings, realms, users, roles, and clients. So it provides a visual interface for configuring identity management without needing deep code level changes. And then you also have access to the account management console. This is basically a self-service portal for end users to manage their own accounts. So it reduces admin workload, improves user control, and security transparency. Now, Keycloak gives you the ability to get started, wherein from here, you have the ability to open the JDK, Docker, OpenShift, Podman, or scaling. Now, if you are working with a server, you might want to choose from any of the following options right here, like configuring Keycloak, directory structure, and configuring the host name. But my suggestion is to go to the download section, wherein you can download the latest version of Keycloak, which is 26.4.0. Alright, so these are going to be all of the list of community maintained extensions. You can check out the page for that. But basically, you have the ability to download the zip file, operator hub, HTML, Quay, and a lot more. Alright, so if you don't have any technical background, it's okay because the admin can help with that. But of course, this is going to be an option for you to download the Keycloak. And there is also a guidelines here that you might want to look into. Apart from that, since this is an open source, it gives you the ability to communicate and interact within the Keycloak community. All right. You can always, as you see, there is like a monthly meeting at these dates, if you are available on that. And if you'd like to explore further, you can also check authentic user reviews, detailed feedback, pricing information, and potential alternatives to Keycloak. You can visit trusted software review platforms like G2.com and Capterra. These sites provide valuable insights from real users, helping you make a well-informed decision that fits your specific needs and budget. And with that being said, if you are running an enterprise, startup, or developer project that values flexibility, data control, and open source freedom, Keycloak is definitely worth it. But on the flip side, setup and configuration can get a bit complex, especially for teams without a dedicated DevOps or security expert, because the UI feels a little dated and documentation. While detailed, it can sometimes be overwhelming. Thank you so much for watching. If this video was helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.